Welcome to the Rhoda Stone Show, and hello to all my friends out there. So this show is what I did to prepare for the last week of the month. Okay, this is a long month. There's actually 8 days left. Today I will buy Diet Pepsi and I will, put it in the stockpile so that I won't run out. So last night, let me show you. I made yogurt. Here's my homemade yogurt. I have made yogurt a zillion times. If you go to a food bank, you won't get yogurt, usually. It's good homemade. So, I won't run out of yogurt at the end of the month because I stockpiled a couple cans of evaporated milk, and I can just use my yogurt that I just made to make more yogurt. So I'm not running out of yogurt. Here is the yogurt recipe. I posted these recipes on Twitter, but if I have learned, you can just take a screenshot. If I have learned anything, it's don't count on your channel. It could be taken down. They can remove it. I don't see that happening, but you never know. Okay, the next thing in my stockpile, I have everything to make bread. I want to give you the recipe. These videos could be around for 5 years. I will be stockpiling gold medal premium flour and some good yeast from Walmart for the long-term food storage. Okay, so you don't want to run out of bread. So what I did is I went to 99-cent store and I bought some bread marked down. One of the things people run out of is bread. I bought these breads, 2 for $1.50 each. These are $2 loaves of bread. These are good. And I bought these 2 loaves of bread for 50 cents. And I bought this loaf of bread for 50 cents. So I have bread. So when you first start doing this, you might be thinking, I have no idea how to find marked down bread. Well, you can't always find it, but once you have found it, you know where to find it. A long time ago, I was doing videos where I was trying to come up with the cheapest daily food I could, and that's why I knew where to find that bread. Okay, the next thing I did is I bought dented cans. These were 50 cents too, as well. And I could eat these. I could make Mexicali refried beans. I could make bean dip. I bought spaghetti sauce. Okay, so now I know that I bought this stuff, and you don't want to be running out of fruit. So I bought this. I think this one is okay. It's not on the seam of the can. And then when I bought these for $1, I bought 4. I only have 1 left. And I bought these for $1. I ate 1, and I bought Twinkies. So I bought dented cans. So, okay, I'd say the best way to find the dented cans is at the grocery stores where they have, they have the marked down bins and stuff. You will find these dented cans. And they're good for putting in the stockpile. Okay, then, and I got these crackers, 50 cents. I like to eat crackers and cheese a lot. So I got 2 loaves of bread, the 2 round loaves of bread, 2 boxes of crackers. So I have more than enough. Okay, now vegetables. You don't want to run out of vegetables, so I bought frozen vegetables, $1 each. And I did this when I did the video, $10, what I can buy for $10. Then I bought fruit. You don't want to be running out of fruit. I got these at Big Lots. No, Smart and Final. And I bought these at 99 cents only, and I've been making tea out of these. I just cover the fruit with water, 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar. I cook it down until it's really soft. I mash it with a fork. I strain it, and then I add sugar. So I have some nice fruit that I got. And when I got this fruit, I also got tomatoes, and they needed to be used, so I stewed my own tomatoes, and I have some left, so I froze them, and I will eat them sometime. For the stewed tomatoes, you just cover your tomatoes with water, add a little salt. Well, first you want to peel them. You submerge them in water just until the skin cracks, boiling water, and then you peel them, and then you put them in a pan, cover them with water, a little salt, and you cook them down. You cook them. And then you can eat them whenever you're, needing some tomatoes. So vegetables and fruit. Then I stockpiled nuts. And what I did is I just went to Dollar Tree and 99. I eat a lot of these. These are tasty. I bought them at 99 cents only. These are good. They have 4 different kinds at Dollar Tree. I ate one. They had a tropical fruit. So I stockpiled some nuts. So the best way to do this is as you're going along, Walmart. Okay, then I stockpiled some frozen food that I bought at Dollar Tree. I usually get about 10 of these kind of things. I stockpiled tea. And I have lemon, and I have sugar, but I didn't put the sugar out, but I have sugar. But if you don't have sugar, you can always get some at one of the restaurants. So I have some frozen food, I have some tea, and I have, I have some lunch meat in my freezer. So I can make sandwiches with tea, and I stockpile some cookies. So if you're just starting, don't give up. Just stay with me. What this video is trying to do is give somebody a idea of what to do, so at the end of the month you don't run out of food. Don't be discouraged. I didn't have eggs, but today I will go and I bought these for $1.79 at Ralph's just to tide me over until I go to Dollar Tree and I buy eggs. Okay, so now I also have some little meals in my stockpile. So I have caper snacks and rice. I could always also have kipper snacks with crackers and mustard. That's a good one, with some tea and cookies. And then thanks to Mr. Charles, I have some top ramen with Oh, I thought these were Vienna sausages. Believe it or not, and then it's supposed to be lemon, but I had the lime out. So that's a good little meal. Then I have potted meat with bread and mayonnaise for little sandwiches. I have macaroni and cheese with tuna. And I have pork and beans with Vienna sausages. And I could make some cornbread to go with that. Make yogurt, make bread, mark down bread, dented cans, vegetables, fruit, nuts, frozen food, tea. You need sandwiches, tea, and cookies. And then yesterday I bought $10. I bought 10 dresses for $10 on eBay. And last night I listed $100 worth of stuff on eBay. And just before the video started, somebody brought my trench coat for $40. So here in a minute, I will take it to the post office and mail it off. And that was the trench coat that someone said, could I please mail it to Russia? So I want to encourage you guys, you know, think to yourself, okay, I don't want to run out of food. I don't want to spend my money because I'm doing the Dave Ramsey thing and I'm saving $1,000. The way I'm doing it is I'm trying to do $21 a week. That's going to give you $1,000 right before Christmas. Or if you save $10 a week, that would give you $500 right before Christmas. And also, you know, if you do a little eBay and you sell stuff, that can help you save a little money as well. Oh, and with the top ramen, what's good is flaming hot Cheetos. I also stockpiled chips to go with my sandwiches. And I also have fries and sweet potato fries in my freezer. So, okay, you guys, that's what I did to prepare for the last week of the month. And so, say if you don't have any stuff in the last day of the last week of the month is coming, say to yourself, okay, could I find some dented cans? Could I find some marked down bread? Could I get some bologna? Could I find some cans of pork and beans for 50 cents and get some top ramen? And could I, you know, what could I do? So, okay, you guys, God bless you all.